Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you what's in my backpacking toiletries and first aid kit. If you are new here, welcome. I make hiking and backpacking vlogs as well as gear reviews and general tips and tricks videos to help you become a more confident hiker and backpacker. If you like videos like that, click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new video. Here's a quick overview of my toiletries and first aid kit. The toiletries and first aid all go into one pouch, and I do keep it handy up front in my backpack. Everything lives in this handy Eagle Creek packet system. It has 3 pockets, 2 side ones, and then 1 major pocket. So I organize everything in this guy. Separately, I do carry a poop kit. It is in this white plastic bag so that it's a little more discreet, you don't really see it. And then I do carry extra plastic bags that I put my used toilet paper in. So fresh toilet paper, some tampons in case I get my period on the trail, hand sanitizer of course, and then my deuce of spades lightweight trowel. And then, like I said, used toilet paper is not supposed to be buried, so I do carry extra plastic bags to put that in, and then all of that lives in this bag, so it's very discreet until I have a chance to throw the used toilet paper plastic bag into my trash bag. Then for pee, I do have a cooler cloth so I don't have to use toilet paper all the time because that would be a lot of toilet paper to carry in and pack out. Cooler cloth, very handy. So this is my toiletries and first aid for backpacking. It's pretty simple. I have baby wipes for cleaning myself. I have antibiotic ointment, band-aids. I actually have a lot more than that in here. There's like a whole stack of different size of band-aids. Floss, needle, and sewing kit. You can also sew with floss. I have gear tape, Q-tips, little toenail clipper, Swiss Army knife that has scissors and the little knife and toothpick and all that. Sunscreen, lotion. I get so dry, especially in the summer. It is ridiculous. So lotion comes in handy. 2 different kinds of tape. Just your regular kind of white tape there in case you get a blister or you need to tape a wound or whatever. And then I have some KT tape. I have vitamin I as well as cranberry pills in case you feel a UTI coming on. These help immensely. Hair tie, comb, half a comb, I guess. Extra chapstick. I do have a handy chapstick in the hip belt of my backpack, but this is just extra for like if I need it in the night. Toothpaste, toothbrush, and last but not least, I have a PackTowl here. I take one of these in between sizes just in case I want to go swimming in the lake. It's big enough to dry off my body as well. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. A lot of the first aid and gear repair and stuff I have yet to use, but of course it's important to carry that with you. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll have everything linked in the more info box below. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below and I will get back to you. Stay tuned for more backpacking content coming your way, and make sure to follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post all of my recent hiking and backpacking adventures. And if you want to hike and backpack in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website hikeoregon.net and you'll find tons of info there. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.